Let's go over some Punjabi relationship names for your dad's side of the family. So your great-grandparents, so your dad's mum and dad are your pardada for your great-granddad and pardadi for your great-grandmum. But you can also call them bibi and baba. For your grandparents, your dad's mum and dad are your dada for granddad and dadi for grandma, or baba for granddad and bibi for grandma. Your dad's older brother or any of his older cousin brothers are your taya. And his wife is your tai. Taya and tai. Your dad's younger brother or any of his younger cousin brothers are your chacha. And his wife is your chachi. Your aunt from your dad's side, so your dad's sister or any cousin sisters are your pua. And your pua's husband is your puppad. And any cousins from any of these relationships are your chachere para, which is cousin brothers, or chacheri pen, which is cousin sister. Chachera and chacheri are the formal terms for cousins in Punjabi, but most people just say para pen, which means brother or sister. Let's summarize one more time. Your great-grandparents are your pardada and pardadi, or just bibi and baba. Grandparents are dada, dadi, baba, bibi. Your dad's older brother is your taya. His wife is your tai. Your dad's younger brother is your chacha, and his wife is your chachi. And any cousins are your chachera pra or chacheri pen. And your dad's sister is your pua, and her husband is your puppad. Your family is your parivar or your tabbar. So, mera parivar, mera tabbar. Your relationship with someone is your rishta. Your relatives are your rishtedar. So if family relatives were coming over to your house, you would say rishtedara ne auna. Mother. There's a few names for mother. So ma, mummy, mata, bebe. Similarly, there's a few names for father. So pio, pita, papa, bapu. Your sister is your pen, penji, or didi. And your brother is your pra or paji. Your son is your puttar, and your daughter is your ti. Husband is karwala or pati, and wife is karwali or patani. Son-in-law is javai, and daughter-in-law is no. Your brother is your para. Brother's wife is pabi. Your brother's son is your patija. and your brother's daughter is your bhatiji. Your sister is your bhain. Your sister's husband is your jija. Your sister's son is your panja. And sister's daughter is your panji. Your older brother is your vadda bra or baji. You add the G as a form of respect if someone is older than you. Your younger brother is your chota bra, but you can call them by their name. Your older sister is your vaddi bhain, bhainji, or didi. Your younger sister is your choti bhain, but you can call her by her name. Twins are jode. Twin sisters are jodiyan bhaina. Twin brothers are jode bra. And twin brother and sister are jode bhain bra.